The story was fun, trimmed in gold for everyone, but the margin started fraying where your restless cause was playing. We packed our doubts in small blue cases, left no tears, no empty spaces. You said the truth is in the things unsaid, tucked deep beneath the captain's bed. So we sailed past the place where the compass knew our names, rules melted down like rain, and the rivers won't stay the same. We were chapters breaking open that refused to reach the end.